Hello guys, so today I want to show you the use of the Google Earth app. This is a very effective app that I use. To get this app on your phone, quickly launch your Play Store and get it from your Play Store. You can do that by typing Earth. The app is here, the Google Earth. So I've already installed this app on my phone, so we just have to get it launched. So I live in the city of Lagos, and most of times I require a 3D image of a particular location. Now this app has been a lifesaver for me, giving me live locations, picture locations, quality picture locations, 3D quality pictures of my locations. Now let's dive into it to see how this app works. Now I want to track my current location and I'll quickly launch it. Now make sure that while using this, your location is on. Your location has to be on for it to work effectively. Now, and as you can see, now this is just images of my locations, and it also share pictures of buildings around me that are closer to my location. To get the 3D image, quickly click on it, and it will try to track down your current locations for me. If you have not tried this tool today, if you have not tried this software today, I want to encourage you to give it a shot. I promise that you are going to enjoy using it. It has been very effective for me. I require 3D images of my locations. I need to track my locations. It works better for me more than the Google Map. For me, I use more of this than the Google Map. And as you can see, you can still try zooming it to pinch to a particular locations, and as you can see, the pictures are very excellent and good. It has actually been a tool that I usually use. I always dive into it anytime I want to visit a location. Now this is my location. As you tap on it, it tries to bring out more locations around this area. Now there's something else you can still do with this. It has the search button at the top here. If you look at it now, I can actually type Lagos, or I can actually pick a location in Lagos and just type it. I say Ikeja is the capital of Lagos, so let's see Ikeja, or Computer Village Ikeja. I think that will go. Yeah, so we have that there. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this nice? So you can do a lot with this. You can actually achieve a lot with this, and you can do more with this. Now see how it operates. So you can just run around it, use it to achieve a lot of things. You can do it. Allows you, the interface is so flexible and it's very friendly. You can do a lot of work with it, and that's just the beauty of it here. So I encourage you, if you have not tried this before, do that today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly drop your suggestions, your opinion in the comment section, and also we encourage you to subscribe to our channels. We'll be dropping more videos shortly.